Hi, in this video I will show you how to enable limited comments on the TikTok. So if you want to make your comments of the TikTok limited, so you can simply watch this video. So first of all, open your TikTok mobile application and you have to click on the profile from the right bottom, and once you will do it, now you have to click on the three lines on the right top, and from here you have to click on the privacy, and in the privacy you will see a comments option here. Tap on it and here you will see who can comment on your video, and you will find a three option here like everyone, friends and no one. So you can select friends or anyone to limit your comments. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.